Okay. So let's have a very brief introduction of NITOS facility. NITOS was initially providing just wireless experimentation, but throughout the years it evolved and now provides several heterogeneous testbeds, like wireless testbed featuring Wi-Fi, 4G and now 5G technologies. We provide also a wired testbed with OpenFlow technology and other open source technologies, SDN, NFV. We have a cloud infrastructure, and of course we have some sensors, some custom-made sensors. We build them, and we have some wireless sensor networks and stuff like that. Of course, the facility is remotely accessible. Anyone can access it through our portal. It's free, of course, and we provide to the research community the 24/7 experimentation capabilities. We also have slicing. We slice our testbed in order to provide parallel experimentation, so multiple users are able concurrently to experiment with different resources in our testbed, and of course we use open source software. Some statistics, okay, we have users from industry and mostly from other research institutes and universities, and we are also federated with all of the federations around Europe and in the world generally, with FIRE on one lab. These are statistics, I will not an overview. NITOS is comprised of 3 different deployments: the outdoor testbed, the indoor testbed, and the office testbed. This is in order to provide as many as possible different environmental conditions for our users. So the outdoor testbed is in the outdoor deployment. There is a lot of interference from outside, from other Wi-Fi around, or from other wireless technologies around. In our indoor deployment, the environment is isolated, and in our office testbed, there is another environment that, let's say, simulates an office environment. We have 100 nodes, and a WiMAX testbed, an LTE testbed, wireless sensor network testbed, USRP devices, some mobile nodes to study mobility, vehicular testbed, and as I said, the wired testbed. I have to say that not all of them will be integrated in FIESTA. I will say later which exactly that data and measurements will be pushed to FIESTA. I'm just giving an overview of the testbed now. This is our outdoor deployment. It's in one of the building in the exterior of one of our university's building. It has 30 nodes with multi-wireless interfaces like Wi-Fi, WiMAX, and LTE. This is our indoor deployment, featuring 50 nodes, really powerful nodes, and some mobile nodes, of course. Our office deployment, it's just 10 or 15 nodes inside our offices here. Of course, another thing is that all of them are interconnected, and someone can do experiments combining resources from the different deployments. This is the overall architecture. It's pretty complicated, as can you see. There is the WiMAX base station. Okay, let's see it here. Our nodes are powerful PCs and with multiple wireless interfaces. We try to constantly upgrade them with new wireless and wired interfaces, and also with new sensors. So we have Wi-Fi interfaces, WiMAX and LTE clients to be connected with our LTE and WiMAX testbed, and someone can combine all these technologies together with sensors and other like other devices like a USRP, for example, to have a really advanced experiment. This is the Wi-Fi interfaces we should use. I don't think that this is for now. Our WiMAX testbed, we have a WiMAX base station and lots of different clients for connecting to it, like mobile phones and WiMAX dongles or interfaces for our nodes. Our LTE testbed, we have 2 access points and again several clients in order to connect to our base station. These are our modes, our custom-made modes. We design and build here. We have some of them connected to our nodes, as you can see, and some of them deployed in our office, in our, let's say, smart building deployment. Our cloud infrastructure, and as I said, our wired testbed. We have some OpenFlow switches, and all of our nodes are connected on them, allowing the user to design advanced and large-scale experiments. Our USRP devices that are attached to some of our nodes, our mobile nodes. I pass very quickly now the slides. I don't want to have a lot of time, to take a lot of your time. Another version of our mobile nodes. This is a card that, again, it's custom made from us, and we use it to control remotely our nodes. We use it for turning on and off our nodes, and also for monitoring their operational state. NITOS also features some directional antennas, and this was all